Friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making a very simple and yummy pineapple black bean rice, a recipe that could make you think otherwise when you're thinking about cooking pineapples. If you don't, but it tastes so good. So if you are new, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and please give me a subscription. And if you like what you see at the end of the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up so that someone else could get a chance of seeing it. So my videos are Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays. Remember, kuna recipes, kuna time and money saving videos. There is a lot of motivational, keeping fit and everything, and there is honest reviews in this channel, very reliable. Let's go to the video. Ingredients: we are going to use our rice. Please use basmati rice. I know we have a thing in Kenya for pishori, but the truth is pishori does not work for a lot of things, one being any kind of rice dish that you make with other things mixed, right? So for this rice you want some long rice effect. So we have our rice, we have danias or corianders, we have our carrots, we have black beans na scoop ya ginger na garlic minced pamoja with some salt. The black beans are already pre-cooked, that is boiled, and they are already cooked kabisa with some pinch of salt, so ziko ready. We have our pineapples, right? Make sure when you're doing the pineapple that you get rid of the mid section, harder part of the pineapple. Don't cook with it, doesn't taste so good. All right, biting it is not good. Tasting, I don't know. So onions, a lot of it. So we are going to use sesame oil. You can do whatever oil that works for you. We will use some soy. This is light soy, not dark soy. Black pepper, and this spice tastes so good on black beans. Some salt and some bay leaves. Kama kawaida, work with what works for you. Don't use spices that are not just your thing. So the next part is we go ahead and cook this. All right, the first thing I do before I fry the onion and everything, I put my rice, not really like soaking it, but I eliminate some of the protein by putting some water here before ni rinse. So that will make sure that the rice haitashikana, and it is even a good way to make rice evenly. So let's do this. our rice at the moment. I forgot to tell you that if you don't trust your water measuring situation, you can always boil the rice kando. But the good thing about kupika rice yenyewe pamoja na every other thing ni because it will be more tastier that way, and it will be not as dry as how pilaus should be, like very very dry and firm like all that, because this is a meal you just add some avocado or kachumbari and eat like it is. Remember to take off the bay leaves. Don't serve with them. They already gave us the flavors. That is the whole point of having them in the meal. So that's my rice. It tastes so good. You realize that I didn't have tomatoes nikipika hii rice. You can still add the tomatoes, but I have tried it and I like it better without the tomatoes. What I'll do, I usually slice some tomatoes na naweka hapo kando, and I think because I like raw tomatoes more. If you are fancy and not like me, which you should never be, is the next step, which is to garnish. Upande some danias hapa juu ama whatever that you want to grow. I'm kidding, of course, because we are done with this video and I'm so thankful.